Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So firstly, I'm going to start by moisturizing my face, and this moisturizer gives my skin the most beautiful golden glow. Absolutely love using this for bridals as well as for party makeup looks. Next, I'm just going to color correct the dark areas in my face, that is on my chin, on my under eye area and a little bit on my forehead. Next, I'm going in with the BB Cushion foundation, and I really love the dewy finish of this foundation, and as you can see, it also gives me a very good coverage. Moving on, I am going to highlight the under eye area, and I'm also going to highlight the center of my face, that is my forehead, my nose and my chin, and I'm using the same cushion that comes with the BB foundation. I absolutely love using this to blend out my concealer as well. Now it's time for some cream contouring, and I'm using this contour stick and applying it to the sides of my face and also on my nose, and I enjoy blending this product out using my brush. Now to set the entire base, I'm going to use the translucent powder and bake a little under the eyes and then just pat it all over my face. Next up, I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit using this contour shade from the palette, and then I'm also adding a little bit of color to my cheeks using this blush. Now onto the eyes, I'm first of all going to fill in my eyebrows, taking this gorgeous Fantasy eyeshadow palette by Sugar, and I'm using this light shade on my crease area to create a transition. Next, I'm taking this black Kohl pencil and I'm creating a half moon shape around my eyes, and I'm just smudging that out with this small brush. This will really intensify the halo effect. I'm just gonna pack on this rich burgundy shade on top of the black liner that we just applied, and then you want to keep blending in between so that everything looks smooth and blended, and then you're gonna pack on more color till you get the desired intensity, and again keep blending the edges in the process. Taking the same concealer as before, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease right at the center of my eyelids. Then I'm going to pack on this beautiful rose gold shimmery shade, which has a really amazing foiled sort of an effect, as you can see. Just smudge out the edges with the previous burgundy shade so that there is a smooth gradient. Now I'm just gonna add a pop of color using this green shimmery metallic sort of eyeliner on my crease area, just keeping that to the center of my crease. And finally, you want to finish off the look by adding some Kohl to your waterline and just smudge that out, and then finish off by blending it out with the same burgundy shade. And as you can see, I just went ahead and applied some false lashes and mascara, and the eyes are done. For highlight, first I take the jelly highlighter and just tap it on the highest portion of my cheeks, and then taking this powder highlighter from the palette, which I absolutely love, I'm just going to apply that over the jelly highlighter and also on the center of my nose, my brow bone, the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm also adding a little bit on the center of my eyes. For the lips, I'm taking my lip liner in the shade Tan Fan and I'm applying it all over my lips. And to make it a little bit light and to give it a bit of a dimension, I'm gonna add some concealer to the center of my lips and blend that out. Lastly, I'm just setting all of that makeup with this mist, and yeah guys, that completes the look. I really hope you enjoyed this glamorous cocktail party makeup look. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.